Meghalaya Cabinet today approved the Meghalaya Mineral Reclamation Fund Guidelines-2022 and the GST rules. Speaking to the media, Meghalaya Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma told the Cabinet that the starting of the fellowship program, to be known as P.A. Sangma Fellowship for Legal and Policy Research, the Chief Minister also informed that today's Cabinet also approved the extension of services of the Director of Sainik Board and Officer of Zilla Sainik Welfare Board for another 3 years.
So we had a cabinet meeting today, and the main agendas today that were taken up was regarding the notification for the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022. So under the minor minerals, we had started a reclamation fund back in the year 2015. And this was based on an order from the High Court. Based on that, the funds have been collected, but the guidelines to actually use them had not been framed. They were in the process of being framed. And now that the framing has been done, this had come to the Cabinet for its approval, and we have approved it. After this is done, the utilization of the funds through a governing body and through an executive committee will be undertaken. Second, we have also given approval to the GST rules, which were also some of them were ex post facto from 2018, 19, 20, and 21. These are basically GST rules that are applicable with the amendments that come in. And so normally we amended the Act, but we also felt that the rules also should be placed in Cabinet. So hence we went through the entire exercise of placing all the rules also, which followed the amendment to the Act, also placed in the Cabinet for its approval. We've also started a fellowship program. This is the third one with National Law School of India. The purpose of this fellowship program is to have students and graduates and people who are following their graduation and post-graduation in National Law School India, Bangalore, to work with the Government of India. So there will be two fellowships. We are calling the fellowship the P.A. Sangma Fellowship for Legal and Policy Research Training Collaboration. And the National Law School will select these fellowships, and a small stipend will be given to these individuals to work with the government departments to ensure that the proper research and everything is done in this policy making. At the same time, our officials will also be sent to National Law School of India, Bangalore, to also get training in these aspects. So these were and of course we had also a fourth subject, which was the extension of the terms of service of Colonel Gautam Rai, who is the Director of Sainik Board. His term was extended by 3 years, and also the term of Colonel M. Shushafir Singh, the post of Zilla Sainik Welfare Officer Tura. Both these two posts were extended for another 3 years.